Guys, welcome back to the channel. Super excited today to be installing our dual screen CarPlay head unit in our 2015 Macan. I can't say it enough, like the pieces in here are really just good quality. This matches the interior of the Macan so well. We are going to be replacing like the vents. This goes across the entire dash right here, and then this sits below that right in here someplace when we remove the CD player. So this kind of takes the place of CD player. They even give you one, even though we don't have to. They even give you one to match the driver's side on the other side, so everything matches as well. It's an unbelievable opportunity when they sent this to us. This is an $1,100 CarPlay unit, and I'm super excited to get it installed today. So let's get to work.
First thing that we need to do is take out the vents, both of these, and this one over here, and the centerpiece, so that we can get access to the center screen. So let's go ahead and dive straight into that. So, obviously this looks a little messed up. I think that's the easiest way of putting it. I didn't feel like going to Harbor Freight on a Sunday, and what you really need to get this done is to get a really long pick, get all the way back behind the vent, and pull. As soon as I got my pick behind the vent and pulled, it popped right out. Super easy. I just didn't have a long enough pick. So that's...
Show them the length of pick you did have.
This is what I had to work with. You probably want the really long one that goes up to here, and it would take you 5 seconds to do. We're replacing the vents, and so that's why I decided to do that. Otherwise, I would try not to. Don't mind that as well. So, once you get one side popped out, you kind of can wiggle it out and get the other side popped out as well. You might just take some fidangling. There you go. Just like that. Comes out as one piece. This is the passenger side. So yeah, now we just have to get the driver's side one out.
Guys, we do not pretend to be perfect. That's what you probably like about our channels. We just make stuff work. And if you'll see, like right here, we didn't have a long enough pick, and we didn't want to take the time to run down to Harbor Freight to do this. So I actually took a pick and I pinched it with the vice grips, and I get it in here like this. And what's important, Tate and I decided, is that you give it a quick pop. So this one I popped out, but I'm just going to pop it back in now and I'll show you. It's a quick pop. It looks like this. You just want to pop like that, and that's how it pops out. So tugging on it hard doesn't work. It takes that pop because these clips sit in here like that. So you need that quick yank to get it come out. But that's how they come out, just like that. All right, keep working.
Next thing that we have to do, we have 4 T25s. We have 2 on each side, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Super easy, so let's get those undone. There you go. Head unit slides right out. A really smart thing to do at this point, y'all, is just take a photo of what is back here. Just in case anything happens, you know where the wires did originally go. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and get it do. Alright, so next, after we get the stereo removed, we need to get out the air vents because we have some new ones that relocated underneath here. So what we do, you just want to get both your hands inside the vents and then just pull straight back and it will pop right off. This is the wide piece. You just kind of want to fiddle it out just like that, and you have all the room to work.
Show them how they go together and how we had to break the two apart.
So the Y is actually 2 pieces, just manufactured like that. So they basically just clip together like so. And inside the car, the easiest thing that we found to do is to just break the tabs on them. So you get 2 pieces and then just slide one out at a time. It makes it a lot easier.
And don't get us wrong, it's tough.
Yeah, that sucked.
We have probably spent at least, I would say, what do you think, Tate, half hour just on that part alone?
Yep.
And it was tough, but it can be done.
Yep. So this is the piece that you get instead of the Y. With the kit, it is just clipped straight in, and you want the tubes facing downward because we're going to put 2 more tubes on just like that. Alright, so with the kit, these come with it. They're even labeled left and right, and then these just clip in to the bottom side of those. Just make sure you get no wires trapped. That is the last thing that you want to do when doing any of these installs. These also come in the kit, so when you get the air vents in, you're going to notice that these are going to be new mounting points for the new screen. And there is a right and a left. It's super easy to figure out though. So you go ahead and put the bottom screw in, and then once we get the screen in, you'll put the top screw in as well. So this is kind of like how I like to do these wiring. I don't know where everything goes, you know, I don't have a perfect diagram of how it goes. So I literally just grab a wire and I see where it's gonna go. For the most part, pretty easy. So like I know this one's gonna go there, so I can go ahead and even get that clipped in, just like that. So that is going nowhere. I know where that goes. This one, they do make it really easy with this kit to know where everything is, like GPS, it says GPS on here, it says GPS, and these, you just set on there and then you screw in the connector, just like that, until it's tight. And you really don't need to get a tool to do it, you can just do it finger tight. It's not going to go anywhere. Just like that. Now that is all set to go. And I see I have 4G. So I just look around, see where I can find something that says 4G. It's not going to be that one. This is the side to the actual vehicle. So instead of plugging this all into these wires right now, what I'm going to do is actually plug this into the car first. So I have all these wires hanging out and ready, so I can just bring the screen over. Makes it a little easier. It's like the main connector, so I'm just mapping it out again. I know that that's going to go in there, and then all these extra ones are all going to go into here, and then this is going to go back into the board.
Guys, we're going to pull the plastic off, but just if you could see that, I don't know if you can make out the detail on this or not, but this is absolutely phenomenal when it comes to matching the Macan. They did such a nice job designing this. Everything fits perfectly. I'm not sure whether or not I put this part in the video or not. We'll see. I may edit this part out. But the audio isn't working is the only problem we're having right now, is the audio is not working. So I don't know if it's a module that the company's going to have to send us. Hey, look, I'm so open to it being user error. I'm open it to be, you know, I didn't plug something in right. Do I think that's the case? I absolutely don't think that's the case. But it's possible. Anything's possible. But everything works like it should outside the audio. This is an unbelievably beautiful setup that matches the Macan perfectly. It is absolutely gorgeous. This huge display. It makes this car, which is 11 years old, feel like it is new with this dual screen. It's high res. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. All these little trim pieces that they did, this all comes with the kit. Like this piece here was not part of the Macan. This was that HVAC unit. Like we had to redo and reduct some stuff. All comes with this unit from Drimatt. It's a hell of a cool piece. I absolutely love it. Guys, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you on the next one.